I was sick. I was very sick. I was bedridden for 9 months. I didn't have any muscle strength. I couldn't hold a cup in my hand to drink water, to take medicine. And I just looked how people were moving and to tie their shoe and this and that, and I just broke down. And I just started crying like, why can't I do that?
Rita has had rheumatoid arthritis since a young age, and in addition has developed multiple joint complications from her underlying rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis.
I was having some problems with my ankle, but with my back, it made me walk a certain way. My gait was off. So that put more pressure on the ankle. So finally, I asked Dr. Stern, I said, I need an ankle surgeon.
I've done a number of surgeries over the last 20 or 30 years on Ms. Campbell. Over my practice time, orthopedics has developed into a number of subspecialties such as hand surgery, foot and ankle, etc. And Dr. Dixon is fellowship trained in foot and ankle surgery.
She came to me with severe ankle arthritis where, she was having pain with every step that she took. And so to maintain some mobility in her ankle, an ankle replacement was the best option for her. What we do is we go in and take out the bad cartilage and put in metal with a plastic insert to recreate our ankle joint.
Oh, it changed my life because I couldn't walk anywhere. It hurt so bad, bone on bone. I made a decision then. I have the disease, but it does not have me.
When you're going in the wrong direction, like the pain is just getting worse, it's not getting better with the rest, ice, anti-inflammatories, that's a time when you need to seek out care to make sure that nothing else worse is going on.
It's very common at UC Health that our patients have multiple complex chronic conditions, and so therefore over the long haul, they regularly see 4 or 5 specialists. We are here across your journey, across the specialties, so that we can prevent complications.
I'm living proof that University of Cincinnati Medical Center is the best. Every problem I've had came from my rheumatoid, and it was taken care of. I get excellent care at UC.